Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a simple and smart way to fix one of the most frustrating 3D printing problems. Your print fails near the end. Whether your model fell off the bed, the power went out, or the print just stopped, it's super painful, especially when you're 90% done. But don't worry, there's a way to save your work and just reprint the missing part instead of starting over from scratch. In my case, I was printing a Zoro figure, and when it was almost finished, the model got knocked off the bed. Only the head part was left unprinted, so instead of wasting time and filament on the full model again, I decided to just print the head part only, and I'll show you exactly how I did it using Tinkercad. This trick is helpful for prints that failed midway or near the end, recovering models after a power cut, or when something just goes wrong late in the print. Instead of restarting, you just cut the model and print the part that's missing, then glue it back to get to Tinkercad. Come and create a new design, click import, and load the same STL file that you printed before. Now go to the right menu and drag a cylinder shape onto the workspace. Click on it and change the shape to whole instead of solid. Resize the whole cylinder to cover the part you already printed. In my case, I already have the entire body, so I'm using the cylinder to cover from the feet to the neck, and I only want to keep the head. You can adjust the size by dragging the height and moving it with the arrow tool. Now select both the Zoro model and the whole cylinder by holding shift and clicking both. Then press Ctrl-Alt-G or Git group at the top. Wait a few seconds and the unwanted part will be gone. You'll now have only the head left. Click export and choose STL format. Now you can bring this into your slicer, L like Cura, and print just the head. Once done, you can glue it back onto the rest of the model and it'll look like nothing ever went wrong. Use super glue or 3D pin weld for joining parts for better strength. You can even create a peg alignment in Tinkercad before grouping if your STL file is too big for Tinkercad, over 25 MB. Use Meshmixer or Meshlab to cut first, and that's it. Now you don't have to throw away your print or start all over. Just reprint the part that failed. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you've had this problem before. Thanks for watching and happy printing.